Have you ever considered that chili peppers might do more than just spice up your meals? A recent study from Penn State University reveals some fascinating insights into how these fiery little fruits could actually aid in weight loss and appetite control. Imagine enjoying your favorite spicy dish, and without even realizing it, eating less overall. Sounds intriguing, right? In this study, researchers served participants two versions of the same meal, one mildly spiced and the other hot. Think beef chili and chicken tikka masala, both delicious in their own right. The twist? Each participant was recorded while eating, allowing researchers to analyze their bite speed, eating duration, and total food consumption. The only variable was the level of spiciness, adjusted by varying the ratios of sweet and hot paprika. The results were nothing short of surprising. Those who indulged in the spicier version of the meal consumed 13% to 18% less food. They also exhibited a slower eating rate and took fewer bites per minute. Yet, here's the kicker. Their ratings of taste and enjoyment remained unchanged. They still relished the meal just as much as those eating the milder version. So, what's behind this phenomenon? The secret lies in a compound called capsaicin, the very substance that gives chili its heat. Capsaicin activates specific receptors in our mouths, particularly one known as TFEV1. This activation creates a mild burning sensation that prompts us to slow down while eating. It encourages longer pauses between bites and more careful chewing, all of which contribute to smaller meal sizes. This means that by simply adding a little spice to our meals, we can potentially eat less without sacrificing enjoyment. It's a win-win. Imagine savoring a spicy dish, feeling satisfied, and realizing you've consumed fewer calories. It's a simple yet effective strategy for those looking to manage their weight. So, the next time you're in the kitchen, consider reaching for those chili peppers. Not only will they add flavor, but they might also help you control your appetite and reduce your overall food intake. It's a delicious way to support your health goals while still enjoying the foods you love. Who knew that a little heat could pack such a powerful punch in our diets?
But the benefits don't stop there. Chili peppers are also linked to improved heart health. They can help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. And if you're someone who struggles with inflammation, the anti-inflammatory properties of capsaicin can be a game changer. It's like nature's little remedy for those aches and pains. Let's not forget about immunity support. Eating spicy foods can actually help your body fight off illnesses. The heat from chili peppers can increase circulation and promote sweating, which is your body's natural way of detoxifying. And if you've ever had a cold, you know that a spicy dish can clear your sinuses and make you feel better almost instantly. Digestive aid is another benefit worth mentioning. Spices can stimulate the digestive tract, helping you break down food more effectively. This means you might feel lighter and more energized after a spicy meal. And for those who enjoy a little mood enhancement, capsaicin can trigger the release of endorphins, those feel-good hormones that can elevate your mood and even help relieve pain. Of course, moderation is key. While spicy foods have many benefits, they might not be suitable for everyone, especially those with certain health conditions like acid reflux or gastrointestinal issues. It's always best to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional if you're unsure. So, the next time you're at a restaurant or cooking at home, consider adding a little spice to your meal. Not only will it tantalize your taste buds, but it might also help you feel fuller, burn more calories, and enjoy a range of health benefits. Embrace the heat, but remember to keep it balanced.
If you enjoy the content here, subscribing is the best way to stay connected and never miss an update. Your support helps me create even more amazing videos, and I want to hear from you. Leave a comment with your thoughts, questions, or just to say hi. Engaging with you makes this journey so much more rewarding. Plus, I love getting to know what you want to see next. So hit that subscribe button and let's keep the conversation going.